updated rate my fidgets because I've got new fidgets and I've traded fidgets in the past whenever I did rating my fidgets. So let's do rate my fidgets again. This is an updated version, so let's get started. This one actually changes color in the sun. I will show you guys at the end of the video. Yeah. Okay guys, so we're about to see how this thing works. We are going out front. And we are going to see how this works. As you can see, it's already starting to change pink just in the heat. And we are going to see it in the actual sun. So, as you can see, it changed color. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time.